Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this special video for all our car guys, who love and care for their lovely cars. After trying and making videos, on so many products, from Sheeba for motorcycles, today we have this special kit for cars. This is a complete car kit from Sheeba, which will take care of your car's both interior as well as exterior parts. Let's have a look at the items this kit has in it. This is foamy car wash. This product has unique agents, which cleans the car like new. This is scratch reducer. This product is a rubbing compound. It removes the minor hairline scratches, stains and helps removing oxidation and corrosion. This is Glass Clean, an ultimate cleaning solution. It removes stubborn dirt, dust buildup, and fingerprints from car windscreen, door windows and other glass surface. This is Dashboard and Leather Protectant. This multi-surface protection provides shines and conditions, with perfume enriched, and long-lasting. This is Windscreen Washer Fluid. It's highly specialized in removing stubborn dirt, dust buildup, grime, bugs and pollutants that stick to windscreen, and improves wiper performance. This is High Gloss Liquid Wax. It restores original look, provides incredible long-lasting shine, unique water-breeding properties, minimizes dust deposits and makes the surface smooth. This is High Gloss Tire Shine Plus. It restores original black look. Fast and easy application with provides long-lasting results. And also have a microfiber cloth, a washing sponge foam pad, wax polishing foam pad, dashboard and interior polishing pad, scratch reducer foam pad, and tire polishing foam pad.